Next up, we've got these passenger foot pegs. The look of them, that ain't it. No. So we're going to swap them out for something that kind of matches the aftermarket floorboards that we put on. Not sure if you can see. There's a little clip here that holds a pin in for the clevis that holds the foot peg in. So we'll remove this clip. We ought to be able to slide that pin out and get that foot peg off of there. I'm going to use a pick to try to pick it out of there. We want to try not to lose the clip. Bent that C-clip just a little bit. We'll either straighten it out or replace it or see if there's a new one in the box. Now that we have the C-clip off, we should be able to just push. We may have to do a little bit of prying. Got the pin out. Sometimes these have a ball and spring in them. This one does not. It just has a sprung shim. Man, that thing is heavy. So here we have our foot peg. It doesn't match exactly to the floorboards, but it's pretty close. I think it's going to look a lot better than the original stuff that was on there. Get our spring-loaded washer in there. See if we can get this to wiggle in. It looks pretty close. So if we put this in here, it has to be able to rotate up and stop. So the flat goes down. We want to put our washer in place. Now we should be able to slide our pin through. There it goes. It took some persuasion, but we got the pin in. This peg is loose. It has a bolt here so that you can tighten it at whatever angle it needs to be. We're going to try to set them flat. We want to make sure that it still folds up. Oh, it's going to hit the paint. We've got our C-clip. Try to get it put back on. There it is. Wiggle the foot peg, make sure it's seated. Now, the one thing that I don't like about these mini boards is when it comes up, we do risk it hitting the paint. It's just because it's got so much machined out of it right here that it allows it to fold up further than it needs to be. Ultimately, I'll probably replace these and the big floorboards with something a little bit nicer. But these should get us by for now. All right, in that position, it kind of matches the other side. And if it were to hit the plastic, it would hit it square on. So there it is.